Beginning photographers, you must know this one thing. Start shooting in manual. Why would you shoot in manual? Because you need to learn each and every fundamental piece of your camera. Stop going to auto to where it's shooting it for you. You need to learn your ISO, you need to learn your f-stop, and you need to learn your shutter, all right? In manual, that's gonna force you to really become a great photographer, because you're gonna go out in the real world, you're gonna be able to adjust it as fast as possible. You're not relying on the camera, because sometimes it doesn't give you good shots even on auto. It's not exposed right all the time, okay? So once you're in manual, you can decide how you want your image to look, even your picture profile. You can set that up, you know, by yourself as well. You can do that manually. Stop depending on the camera to work for you. All right, you got to use the camera in your advantage. You got to learn. You got to know what you're doing. You got to know why you shot that at a certain setting. Okay, so make sure you start in manual. Stop trying to cheat. Stop trying to get away. If you really want to take this serious, shoot manual. All right.